Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Cherokee High Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With acoustic windshield, blind spot and crosspath detection, 19-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, off-road information pages, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7270.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.